VCT क्या कहते हैं? ये एक्सटर्नल वाली डिजायर्स को, जो हम एक्सटर्नली तो छोड़ देते हैं लेकिन इंटरनली जिसको नहीं छोड़ पाते हैं, या इसके ऊपर वरी के ऊपर करना है अभी तेरे को। हम्म।
हाँ, ऐसा लगता तो है कि अटैच नहीं है बट समवेयर इंटेंगल हो जाते हैं, आई डोंट नो।
चलो, इवन दो
इवन दो
Even though
आई बिलीव
आई
I
बिलीव
believe
दैट आई गिवन अप अटैचमेंट,
that I have given up attachment,
अटैचमेंट,
but I still find
but
बट
I
आई
still
स्टिल
find
फाइंड
that I am affected.
that I'm affected.
अफेक्टेड,
I worry
I
आई
worry,
वरी,
and my mind is preoccupied
माय
and my
माइंड
mind
इज
is
प्रीऑक्यूपाइड
preoccupied.
with these worries.
विद दीस वरीज,
Worries,
Still, I deeply and completely
still I deeply
still
and completely
love,
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 forgive, and accept myself,
and
forgive,
accept myself,
even though
even though
even though
I think I'm fooling myself
I think
I
I'm
think
fooling
I'm
myself.
fooling myself
when I say I'm not attached.
when I
When
say I'm not attached.
I deeply and completely
I
I
deeply and
deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
love
forgive,
and
them
accept myself,
and
accept my,
accept myself,
even though
even though
even though
I want to believe
I want to believe
I want to believe
that after coming to yoga,
that
that
after coming to yoga,
I have given up certain desires,
I
I
have
have
given up certain desires,
but I find
but I find
I slip many a times.
I
I
slip
slip many a time.
It may be due to
It may be due to
not giving them up internally.
not
not
giving
giving them up internally.
I deeply and completely
I
deeply and
deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
forgive
and accept myself.
and
and
accept
accept
myself.
myself.
Eyebrow point. This feeling
This
that I have given up,
Feeling
this
that
feeling
I
that
have
I
given,
have,
but actually I haven't.
but
but I
actually
have,
At the end of eyes, I have given up, but I'm still attached.
I've given up, but I'm still attached.
Below the eyes, I think I've given up, but I find I'm attached.
I think I
I
have
think
given
I
up.
have given up, but I'm attached.
Below the nose, this
This
wishing that I had no desire,
This feeling
this
that I
wishing
have
that I
no
have no
desire,
desire,
but they exist.
but this
but
exists.
they exist.
Chindru, this internally holding on to desires.
This
This
internally
internally holding on to desires,
Below the collarbone, this giving up desires externally but not internally.
is giving
this
up
giving up
desires externally, but not internally.
Below the armpit, this difference in external and internal mind.
this
This
difference is about internal and
internal and
external.
external mind,
On the lower ribs, this difference between action and inner experience.
this
This
difference between the action and
action and
experience,
inner experience.
Thumbnail, this disintegration between thought, speech, action.
This
this
integration
disintegration
thought,
between
speech,
thoughts and
and
actions,
Forefinger, this speech not integrated with action and thoughts.
this
this
speech
speech
not
thought not
integrated with action
integrated with
and thought,
action.
Middle finger, this feelings going in a different direction than
the
thought
feeling
and action.
going in different directions than
Different
thought and
direction.
action.
Little finger, This feeling disintegrated from thoughts and actions.
This feeling
This feeling disintegrated from thoughts and actions.
Karate chop. Still I deeply and completely
Still, I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
accept.
I choose to be
used to
I
be
choose to be
free from this disintegration.
free from this disintegration,
And I deeply and completely
and I deeply and completely
love,
love,
forgive,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to
I choose
I
to
choose to
leave the desire from inside.
leave the desire from inside,
desires
And I deeply and completely
and I deeply
deeply and completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
and accept myself.
I choose to
I choose
I
to
choose to
watch my behavior,
watch my behavior,
watch my speech,
watch my speech,
to become aware
to become
to
aware
become aware
of my attitudes.
of my attitude.
of my attitude,
And I deeply and completely
And I
and I
deeply
deeply and completely
love,
love,
give,
forgive,
and accept myself.
and accept myself.
Eyebrow point. Be integrated in thought, speech, action.
be
Be
integrated
integrated in thoughts, speech, and action.
I end point. Align my feelings with my thoughts.
Align my feelings
feeling
with my thoughts.
Below the eyes. Integrated thought, speech, action, and feelings.
Integrated thoughts, speech, and action and feelings.
Below the nose. Give up desire internally before giving them up externally.
give up desires internally
But
before
desire internally for giving them up externally.
externally.
Chin group. Give up desire both internally and externally.
Give
Give
up
up desire
desires
both internally and externally.
Below the collarbone. Watch my inner self,
watch
Watch
my
my inner self,
like the others watch my outer self.
like the others watch my outer self.
Below the armpit. Watch myself honestly
Watch myself honestly,
on the lower ribs. Safe and comfortable to see the ugly side of me.
safe and comfortable to see the ugly side of me.
Please help.
Thumbnail. Do obesity and change the ugliness.
Do we city and change the ugliness?
Forefinger. Become aware of the internal state of mind.
Become aware of the
Become aware of the internal state of mind.
Middle finger. Be aware of my attitude.
Be aware of my attitude.
Little finger. Work on my value systems and motives.
Work on my value systems and my motives.
Karate chop. And I deeply and completely
And I deeply and completely
completely
love,
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 forgive,
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 and accept myself.
accept myself.
Massage the tender spot on the shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth.
वॉल्केनो राइज हुआ, बहुत सारा इमोशंस देखा, then acknowledgement
Just
के बाद
feeling very nice, ma'am. Very nice.
relax हो गया.
जो जो अवेयरनेस आता है उसको नोट करके रखने का और उसके ऊपर भी वीसीटी करने का. ठीक है ना? तो होमवर्क समझ
मैम
में आ गया था ना?
मुझे गुस्सा आया पहला बात, पता नहीं क्यों गुस्सा था, एक एंगर अरोजिंग फील हुआ. सेकंड मुझे आया कि आई वाज सीइंग द, मैं न्यूट्रल रहती थी, भूल भी जाती थी जो होगा, आई वाज ट्रस्टिंग. लेकिन जब भी सामने बच्चा आता है, फीलिंग उसका मैं देखती हूँ, या वो मुझे बात नहीं करता, कुछ नहीं करता है, लेकिन वो जो सैडनेस का ये फील कर रही हूँ ना, तभी देन आई,
तो देन यू
मैं
शुड वर्क ऑन दैट ना. सैडनेस को रखती क्यों है, जमा क्यों कर रही है?
रख.
इमिडिएटली निकाल दे ना, तो क्लैरिटी आएगी. जमा कर करके रखेगी तो धूल ही धूल जमेगी ना. जमा क्यों कर रही है?
हाँ, वो इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा था, मतलब वो
अरे इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहा था
सामने
तो
से
करा, तूने वीसीटी किया क्या?
नहीं किया.
डोंट कंप्लेन. सो यू डिडंट टेक एक्शन. अपने आप से नहीं होता तो मेरे को फोन करना था ना. वो भी नहीं किया. जमा
आपसे
कर
किया तो
नहीं
आप
नहीं.
डांटते हैं ना. यू शुड सी हिम, आई मीन यू शुड सी हिम प्रोग्रेस ऑल्सो. यू, इफ आई इन्वॉल्व देन दैट विल बी ऑल्सो अफेक्टिंग. वो
अरे
मुझे
बट
याद है,
यू कैन
इसलिए
नॉट,
आई
you
एम ट्राइंग
cannot
टू बी.
see him progress till you are calm. You are only adding negativity. How can he be calm? तू तेरी तरफ से तो नेगेटिव निकाल दे. Then it is only his to work upon. तू तेरा वाला ऐड करती है ना, लेकिन ये तेरे को कब याद रहेगा? How many times to remind you this? Please remember this. तू तेरी तरफ से तो ऐड मत कर, उतना तो कर सकती है ना.
Hmm.
तू उसको ऐड कर रही है. Therefore you can't even see if there is some positive happening in that direction. And this pain everyone goes through, and one should go through, because growth happens only by going through this pain. This pain is for growth. Uncertainty is life. If there's no uncertainty, there's no life. What is there to live and observe if everything is hunky-dory? Nothing. Then we'll only go and become more tamasic and more rajasic. We'll not even value sattva.
Hmm.
So don't try to justify remaining in a negative state. Sorry. Not done. If you had made the effort and still you're not getting into that space, then where is the question of anyone having to say anything to you? Then yes, there you have to understand that, okay, now at this point I need to leave it to nature. मैंने एकदम सही पूरी तन्मयता से, डॉक्टर ने भी यही कहा ना, we don't try to get to the depth of the field that we are in. तो इन डेप्थ नॉलेज उसका जब तक नहीं लिया है और उसके अंदर मेहनत नहीं कर रहे हो, तभी ये सारी चिंताएं और दुख और ये सब होता है. When you are using every situation to get into the depth of it, then it will not bother you because you know it all. Ignorance is the worst of the crime. प्रज्ञा अपराध. तो वो तो कम से कम मत करो. ऊपर वाले ने तुमको इंसान बनाया है, इंसान की बुद्धि दी है, which is supposed to be the best of the बुद्धि, most well equipped. Should we not use it? And without using, then we complain. That's not fair. Not being fair on being human. It's God's grace that we are born human. So let's be human. क्या लगता है? Things will happen the way they have to because we are all born with our karmas. They have to fructify. What we can do is to reduce the negative impact of the karmas. That's all that you can reduce. Why are you adding to it? If there is a situation of uncertainty, you shouldn't add your uncertainty to it, no? When you start doing that, that is when and then when you are there in front of me, I can't help but shake you out of that stupor. If you don't shake yourself out of that kind of stupor, how can you ever move? And stupor is something that will keep growing on and on and on. तमस में से निकलने के लिए रजस चाहिए ना. कोई कोई चीज को खाली छोटा सा धक्का मारा तो वो चलने लगता है. कोई चीज ऐसी उसको बहुत जोर से हिलाना पड़ता है, हाँ? थोड़ा टांग मारना पड़ता है, लात मारनी पड़ती है, तब हिलता है. तो ये वैसा ही है. बट रजस तो चाहिए. किसी को एक धक्का छोटा सा ही मारा, उंगली से ही मारा तो चल पड़ता है. तो इफ यू हैव टू मूव, यू हैव टू मूव. चलो.